Hi, in this video, I'm going to walk through a simple ClickUp setup that I created to demonstrate how I organize weekly operational tasks. The goal of this workspace is to keep weekly tasks clear, structured, and easy to track, while making sure anything completed automatically assigns to the right person and stays on schedule. So let me go ahead and start with the main list I created. I name it weekly ops, and the workspace that I put here is task client team. Now, this is where all the recurring weekly tasks would be stored. Inside the list, I added four custom fields manually. So these are status, priority, URL for any related links, and lastly, notes for context. And if you scroll to the right, you'll see other fields like uh, assignee and due date. These are automatically fields added because of the automations, but I will explain further that to you later. Now, these fields make it easy to keep every task organized without opening multiple pages. Let me show you two views that I added. Right now, what you're showing, what you're seeing on the screen is a table view. This is ideal for operations because you can see everything in one place, including assignee, due date, priority, and custom fields. And then the second view is the board view. So this makes it easy to drag tasks across statuses, especially for people who prefer a visual workflow. So you can just easily drag tasks to its status, whether if it's in progress or complete. So here are the sample tasks. Let me just go back to list view. These are example tasks that I added. So these are typical weekly responsibilities such as preparing weekly content, sending reminders, organizing workflows, reviewing leads, and uploading modules. Just scroll down. And this mimic the type of consistent operation tasks I usually manage for the client. Now, let me show you the two automations I set up. So click here and then manage automations. So for the first automation, this is triggered when a task status changes to complete. So when that happens, the task is automatically assigned to the person. So for this one, this is supposed to be assigned to team, but since this is just a personal task workspace, I don't have a ClickUp user of team inside the workspace. So for now, I'm assigning the completed task to myself just to show the automation is working. So this actually automation ensures completed tasks are reviewed without needing manual follow-up. So now let me show you the second automation. So this one is triggered when a task is marked complete. So this one automatically sets the due date 3 days out. So this helps in maintain pacing and ensures tasks move forward even if the next step has not been manually added yet. So just to give you a quick example, I'll add tasks. So let me just put here test demo, and then I'll click save. And then let's say I'm going to change the status to complete. And then as you can see, the task that I created is no longer here on to do status. If you click on board, it automatically shows it's already on the completed. And as you can see, the due date is already on Saturday. So we set that up correctly. By the way, I'm using Philippine time. That's why it shows Saturday. For inbox, it's already here, and when you see on my email, it also automatically I automatically also receive a notifications. Now everything is running smoothly. So overall, the setup is designed to be a simple, clean, and easy to scale. The structure keeps weekly operations predictable, the views make it easy to prioritize, and the automation reduce manual work. So that ends the walkthrough for this ClickUp task. Thank you for your time.